Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In day 3, we simulate a real corporate customer order. We execute customer creation, sales quotation, sales order confirmation, automatic manufacturing order generation, work order execution, delivery validation, invoice creation and payment registration. This shows how one sales order triggers multiple automated processes from sales to manufacturing, from manufacturing to inventory, from inventory to accounting, and also from accounting to profit. By the end of day 3 or step 3, revenue is reordered, stock is reduced, cost of goods is calculated, profit is visible. This day teaches us a properly configured ERP connects every department automatically. So let's jump into this system and let's try how things will get executed for our furniture, EliteWood Furniture. DearERP is open. Simply what I have to do, I have to start the writing prompt here. So what we will give the prompt here, sales and manufacturing flow. So I don't need to write that one, it is regarding the topic only. Execute part 3, as we are bringing step by step all these parts. Complete sales and manufacturing flow for EliteWood Furnitures. Then I have to move execution requirements. What execution requirement? First thing is here, create customers. So what customer? Walk-in customer, immediate payment, then ABC Tech Private Limited, 30 days credit. Number 2 here, create sales quotation. In this, customer ABC Tech Private Limited, and then product 50 office chairs, like what product getting ordered here, and then delivery date 10 days. Third one here, confirm sales order. If you closely look on this is step by step process which we have to do manually, but now we are doing everything from prompt. So automatically generate manufacturing orders, reserve raw materials, Then I have to move into the fourth one here. So what is fourth one? Execute manufacturing, right? First one is here, create work orders. Then here, complete all routing steps, produce finished goods, then move to finished warehouse, then fifth one here, validate delivery. If you closely look into this, first thing is customer is there if we are selling. Then if customer buying, that means we need to send the quotation also. So then if he's agreed on that, then we have to send the sale order. So then we have to started the manufacturing process, because the current or existing products we have used for this customer. So now whatever things will be required for again creating those things, so we have to execute the manufacturing process or start the manufacturing process. In that we process things like create work orders, complete all routing steps, produce finished goods, move to finished warehouse. Then now the time to validate the delivery. So deliver 50 office chairs, and then reduce stock automatically. And then sixth one is here, create invoice. Okay, so after everything is done, now we have to send the invoice also to that customer. Apply GST in that, and then post invoice is also doing by this tool. Register payment, bank transfer. Nice. So few things we need to ensure in this, so we will write down that also. Accounting entries generated, right? And then cost of goods calculated, and then profit recorded, then inventory updated. So it will make sure this at the end in the entire process, and also at the end of this prompt. Execute complete life cycle. If we process this manually, it will take too much time. With DearERP, we are doing this one in few seconds or very few minutes. Lifecycle. So we will click on send message, make sure this should be in right mode, and then we'll see how things will get executed. let's wait for some time. Amazing friends, now we have got the response whatever we have requested. A part 3 complete sales and manufacturing flow is done here. And also it is stating here all lifecycle steps completed successfully with 0 errors. Here's the complete summary. So what we have to do, we will check each and every step how this AI executed everything in the system. So I will start from sales. So simply I'm clicking here on open Odoo. So I have to log in this, as we have seen previously also. Amazing. Now we have logged in here. Then I have to move into the sales. In sales, orders. Nice. So what we are getting in this, there is one sale order here which is confirmed. Customer for ABC Tech Private Limited, right? Simply when I'm clicking here, outstanding. We are processed the 50 quantity chairs, right? It is also delivered and everything is according to requirement, whatever we have requested. Payment terms 30 days, right? So like this is got created. And also we have to check this smart button also, delivery smart button. When I'm clicking here, nice, this delivery also shown here, like it is out from the main warehouse delivery order, and also this stating here. Okay, now we have to move into the manufacturing order. For manufacturing, simply I have to click manufacturing module, and then there is operations. In operations, manufacturing orders. Currently when I'm looking in this side, it is actually not executed, but when I click on this manufacturing, now it is created in the system. So if we are getting any mistake in this from AI side, simply what we have to do, in last I'll collect all the mistakes whatever happened, and whatever I am not getting the execution on screen, I'm not getting anything in the UI side. Maybe it worked in backend but not reflecting in UI side. So I'll collect all these things and will execute again, will give a small prompt again. So but now we are clearly getting the manufacturing order also created, 003 done, 50 chairs produced. This is one here. Okay, and then I have to move into the bulk orders tab. So in bulk orders, simply in operations only there is bulk orders, right? Cutting wood components, assembly chair frame, finishing and polish, and then packaging here. Outstanding. Then we have to check the delivery orders also. For delivery, I have to move into the inventory. In inventory, there is operations. In operations, there is deliveries. Nice. This is also created. So how many chairs? Demand 50, quantity 50, right? So this is out. And then we have to check the invoices. Where in invoice? In accounting. So currently we have invoicing, so we'll move, instead of accounting we are using invoicing here. Then customer, in customer there is invoices. Amazing friends, this is also paid showing. So when I click here, payment is done, and this customer invoice is completely ready with applied taxes and also properly quantity is updated. If you check closely everything, it is not happening a single mistake in the quantity, price, taxation and everything, in payment terms also. Whatever we have requested in every step, it is executed the same one. There might be a chance it is not showing in the UI side, then we have to request again. But this thing isn't processed like this. It is not did the mistake, payment terms showing somewhere 30 days and somewhere is 50 days. This mistake isn't happened yet. Okay, so we have closely checked each and everything, and then we have to move into the for payments. Okay, into payments. So what I have to do in accounting customer, there is payments also, right? So in payments we are getting like which bank is used here and received or not, amount, date, everything. If we check the date also, we are getting that everything is according to requirement only. Then we have to move into the inventory for checking the stock or inventory levels, right? So I'm moving into the inventory. In inventory there is product, in products. So office chair, simply I'm writing here office chair. Nice, FGOC001. So we will check the on hand quantity here. On hand quantity should be 0 because whatever we have created that were sold also, means our current stock should be 0 and in sold we are getting 50. This breadcrumbs really helping us, right? So whatever delivered, that also showing 50, right? And also whatever manufactured, that also showing. So this breadcrumb really helping us to know how things processed it, right? And then we can check the raw material also for checking the remaining stock. So we have already checked wooden plank and foam cushion, fabric roll and script packs. We have already did this one. Now there is one more step is here, customers. So what we have to do, we have to move into the contacts. Is customer created or not? First we have to check that also. Okay, so working customer is there, EliteWood, right? We have worked for EliteWood, and then there is ABC Tech Private Limited. So when I click on this, all details, required details are shown here in this. Amazing. Then so this confirms the entire flow from sale order, manufacturing, delivery, invoice payment is complete and fully connected. So in summary, what we are getting here, customers created, sales order done, manufacturing also done, 50 chairs, and delivery also out, and invoice also created, payment also done, raw material consumed, finished goods delivered, journal entries also done. So outstanding friends, everything seems perfect. A single thing which we have missed in this, that is the manufacturing. So simply I'll copy this one and then again I'll give to DearERP and tell this seems not executed. When I check in the system manually, it is not available. please look into this. Okay, so after this I'll give this prompt, then we'll see how things will get executed and fixed accordingly. Let's wait for some time. Outstanding friends, now we have got the response, and it is saying actually the manufacturing order, this does exist in the system with state done and 50 chairs produced. This issue is likely a filter in the UI heading completed MOS. Let me verify the complete state and guide you to find it. Okay, so simply what we have to do, how to find the manufacturing order. So we did a single mistake in this. This is not a system mistake, this is not a AI mistake. Whatever filter is there, I didn't remove that filter, so it is actually redirecting us and pointing that one only. So go to manufacturing operations, manufacturing order. By default Odoo may filter to show only active in progress MOs, right? So I'll move into the manufacturing. In manufacturing, when we click on the manufacturing orders, by default this to do is there, so that one actually I didn't remove from myself. So simply I have to remove this one, then we see this today created this one order also appeared. Nice. So everything we check and everything seems perfect. If you found this video useful and helpful, don't forget to share the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.